governors, and we are 90 days away from the November election. Tonight, we're hearing from both candidates hoping to be your next lieutenant governor. We're starting off here in Roanoke, where WFXR's Rhian Lowndes caught up with State Senator Ghazala Hashmi, asking how the Democrat will represent southwestern Virginia.
During her run for lieutenant governor, Senator Ghazala Hashmi is putting her focus on healthcare and education.
I chair the Senate Committee on Education and Health, and we have been working proactively to strengthen the healthcare access and resources that are available to so many of our communities, especially in Southwest Virginia. We know that the healthcare disparities that exist make it a challenge for families and individuals to get basic care, and that is something that we have been working strenuously to try to address and to change.
In Southwest Virginia, much of that healthcare disparity has to do with access.
And as vice chair of the Joint Commission on Healthcare, we've been really focused on the Southwest region, and we know that the crisis of Medicaid funding losses is going to impact our rural hospital systems first, and that's going to have a ripple effect all across our healthcare system. And so making sure that we're able to shore up our hospitals, making sure that we have staffing and resources that are critical to provide the services to everyone that lives in our underserved regions is a top of mind concern. And we've begun to move in some interesting directions, focusing on issues such as our community health workers, expanding the resources provided through local health departments, thinking about mobile clinics and telehealth opportunities.
As for education, the senator is leaning on her prior experience.
I spent 30 years in higher education before I ran for office, and 20 of those years were in the community college system. I have a very close relationship with our community colleges and with our efforts to expand access to dual enrollment and to career and technical training programs. We're really focused on bringing access and economic development so that folks in the Southwest area have the opportunities.
Hashmi says another issue she's focused on in Southwest Virginia is broadband.
I think a critical part of the work we are doing in the General Assembly and that I've been a part of is to ensure that we have broadband access. This critical utility is as essential now as electricity was just 100 years ago. And until we have full connectivity all across the Commonwealth, we will not be able to bring the kind of economic development that we want to ensure.